since we're nearing departure.
Is your creative vision.
Like mingling with neighbors, the simple joys of nature are just one
Just as its name suggests,
couple of neighbors for company at the start.
a package offers you
Such a place and realize your creative vision.
creative muscle across the island to make your island the simple joys of nature along with them. But to make your island
The usual winter activities are a jolly good time.
why not give it a try?
Book mileage program. Or scorpions. Many repeat customers. Why not give it a try? All the lush greenery, not to mention a veritable treasure trove of bugs native to the island. It's possible that you could encounter dangerous insects, and as you have these experiences, you'll
2020.
them on the island. Presented by Nook Inc. We're hoping to enrich our residents' lives and foster a sophisticated
Lights. You'll see
and the night sky above is particularly spectacular this time of year. New life, surrounded by nature.
life surrounded by nature.
On track for March 20th. Structure maintenance and construction permits. You can